Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're experiencing a few little difficulties right now. I don't know what's going on. I just realized, like, looking in the camera, this eye kind of looks red. It looks a little bloodshot, like I've been crying, and I have not. Don't know what's going on with that. But I digress. Another little odd thing that's going on is it is cold in Texas. It's not too cold right now. I think it's like 55, so we've got the back door open per usual, but it has been like 20s and 30s. Like, I swear every year I'm here, I feel like it gets colder and colder. But anyways, but yes, that does explain my Chanel cardigan, which I actually unboxed this in a haul for you guys. But yeah, so we've got on our Chanel cardigan because it is chilly in Texas. But yes, welcome back to my channel. And now that we've got all of that out of the way, so if anything looks funny, you have those like couple of things to blame for it. But yes, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I've got a haul for you guys, and it is a very appropriately and aptly themed video. It is more of like a winter-esque themed luxury haul because, as I said, it is cold in Texas, so I thought what better time than to unbox some of these like more fall winter-esque pieces, if you will. So you guys, we're gonna hop right into the video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and hit that little bell so you get notified every single time I post. And follow me on Instagram at Bree, all one word, all spelled out. And I will see you in a second. I love you so much.
And now I'm stargazing. You think for the stars, but I've been scarred lately. Taking keys, stealing cars, we just some lost babies. Live too fast, now I'm grown. Excuses in my head, I ain't thinking I'm wrong.
Okay, you guys, so we're just gonna hop right in. I have got a little baggie here from Chanel. I've got two items in here that I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the smallest one first. It is a piece of jewelry from Chanel. I feel like this might be my like least long-winded video ever, if you can believe it, because I don't know, I just don't have a lot to say. So, pair of earrings, as you can tell, and I'll show you what they look like. So these are the earrings that I got. I believe they are new season. So they're like these gorgeous, shiny black heart studs with the Crystal CC logo. So they look like this. How gorgeous are these? And they look so pretty on the ear, you guys. I'm completely obsessed. That is one of the reasons that sold me. And I just think these are so gorgeous. They're so classy. Such a pretty little pair of earrings. I cannot wait to start wearing these. I'll show them to you again in the box. So that is what they look like. They've got the crystal CCs and they're golden black. So classy, definitely giving more like fall winter vibes. Okay, so next item in our little Chanel bag is a pair of sunglasses. Don't ask me why I felt like a pair of sunglasses were giving like winter fall vibes, but maybe like everybody needs a pair of winter or fall sunglasses. So they came in this black pouch here with like the same little quilted pattern and then the CC logo here. I've been wanting these sunglasses for the longest time. They are like a very vintage pair of sunglasses. So let me show you what they look like. So, ta-da! It is the most gorgeous pair of Chanel sunglasses. They've got the Crystal CC logo there. They're in like this brown kind of like ombre color, so I'll try them on for you. So I'll show you what they look like on. Very pretty on. Just giving like fall winter vibes. So pretty. Love the brown ombre. Like I said, love a good vintage pair of Chanel sunglasses. So pretty. Obsessed with these. How stunning. I think these are just the most gorgeous little pair of sunglasses. So cute. Okay, so next up we have some items from none other than Miss Chanel, even though I'm acting like I didn't already unbox 2 items from Chanel before this, but now we're gonna be going in a pattern, in order. I've been obsessing over this particular pair of Chanel jeans that I'm about to show you guys since before they were even released. When it was just like stock photos, I knew I was gonna get them, and I got them. I'm obsessed. Let me show you. Are you ready? So they are this gorgeous pair of Chanel denim jeans, you guys. I want to say this was 20, oh gosh, don't get me to lying, 25p, 26p, somebody. But they have got like this screen printed, almost like 3D metallic little charms. It's got a clover, it's got the CC, it's got a heart. I thought there's a little bag here. I don't know what, oh, there's a little clover on the back. These jeans are so cute, so iconic. Let me stand up really quick and just show you. Okay, so just so you can see them like without the ring light on. So they're really not like as bright as like maybe they were coming off. I don't know. They're like a little chameleon. So now the next item from Chanel that I'm gonna show you, I've had since I purchased this item right after I got back from my trip to France in September of last year. It is February, the first day of February. Happy first day of February, happy Black History Month. But yeah, I purchased this bag right when I got back from my birthday trip to France, and she's been waiting for a special moment, although I did wear her. I wore her out for New Year's Eve. I went out for New Year's Eve this year for like the first time in the longest time because my family was in town. I went out with my baby brother and his friends. We had a blast, okay? A blast. The night ended up with my car getting towed back to my house. I like woke everybody else. I woke everybody up, like my sister and my dad. I was like, come outside. And come deal with the tow truck driver. It was like 3 o'clock in the morning. Anyways, that is the story for another day. Maybe catch it on the blog. And there I was making promises about not being long-winded. But anyway, so let me show you the bag. It's so special. Like I said, I have worn it already, but you guys, this bag is extremely rare. Just extremely, well, I don't know if it's rare, but I feel like she's rare. Extremely iconic. It is covered in full crystal, and then again it's got the charm, so you can tell that this haul is very on theme, on brand, although this bag definitely has been out. I think it's been out for at least a year or two. This bag definitely came out before the jeans, but it's got the 4-leaf clover here, it's got the star, it's got the Chanel number 5, and then it's got like, I see an A, but I don't know if, I guess probably the letters that spell out Chanel are on here too. It's got the Chanel logo here. It's got like little stars. It's got, which is my favorite, the little heart. But you guys, how gorgeous is this? So she is a flap. She is absolutely stunning, and you can see why I wore her out for New Year's Eve, because she is dazzling. Chanel classic box here, and open her up. I think I gave like a peek at the bottom, but I don't want to show anybody. Get the tissue paper off. Extra special, definitely iconic. Knew I was gonna get it when the original, or the first version, let me say, came out. I wasn't sold, and I'll tell you why when I show you the bag, but then I saw this one and I was like, okay, in the bag, adds to cart instantly. So it is, wow. So this is the Chanel flap. This is definitely the medium size. It is like this gorgeous teddy bear shearling color, but then it's got the most beautiful like cognac color leather, you guys. So stunning. So let me tell you about the first one. Okay, so, and I guess I can still hold the bag up while I talk about it. The first version of this bag that came out, and I'll definitely put a picture right here on the screen, it was like a, more of like a caramel or like a tan brown leather. Same shearling, everything else was the exact same. I believe that one only came in like this little mini size that you see it pictured in. Then this one came out this year, and it's in this gorgeous cognac, like brandy color leather, like I said, that just sold me. Like, look at this, you guys. It is spectacular. It's very striking. And then for this version, it came in 3 sizes, and I'll see if I can put them on the screen again. There's a mini, there's this one, which is the medium, and then there is a large. And of course, I just was sold on the medium. Like, look how stunning this bag is, you guys. It is spectacular. Winter themed pieces, but I guess it's appropriate that I only have a couple of pieces because winter in Texas does not last long before you know it. And actually next week it's gonna be in the 70s, so you know, gotta be quick about it. Anyways, you guys, do not forget to like this video if you liked it, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, you guys. I post videos about everything real life luxury. Maybe we should have said this in the beginning, but it's not too late. So if you are interested in seeing all things luxury, then this is the place for you. So make sure to subscribe. Anyways, you guys, I love you so much, and I'm vlogging for you. Look who is turning over a new leaf in the new year. I'm vlogging for you, so look out for the vlog. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you later.